Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your EA account email address. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Electronic Arts. Now from this page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on sign in if you haven't logged in already, and then use your credentials. After signing in, click on the same account icon and then click on account settings. You will now be taken into your account settings page for your EA account. Now from this page, you will find your email address section underneath basic information. Just click on the edit button alongside your email address and now you will be asked to enter your desired new email address. Type in your desired new email address and click on continue, and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. Just log in and check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the verification box and then click on the submit button, and now your email address has successfully been changed on your EA account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your EA account email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.